This video introduces high-performance cryptography through the BLAKE2b standard. It offers uncompromising speed and SHA-3 level security, optimized for 64-bit architectures. BLAKE2b is the cryptographic holy grail, achieving speed without compromise. It breaks the old dichotomy by being faster than legacy hash families while maintaining maximum cryptographic strength. As an evolved, optimized version of the original Blake hash function and an SHA-3 finalist, BLAKE2b is a modern standard optimized for 64-bit platforms, while BLAKE2s targets 32-bit platforms. In the cryptographic landscape, BLAKE2b holds a unique position. It is the only industry-standard hash function residing exclusively in the quadrant of maximum security and maximum speed. The BLAKE2 family splits into two variants for peak performance across different hardware. BLAKE2b is for 64-bit platforms, and BLAKE2s is optimized for smaller 8-bit to 32-bit architectures. Technically, BLAKE2b features a 128-byte block size and a 64-bit word size. It utilizes 12 rounds for processing and has an internal state of 8 64-bit words. Unlike fixed-length algorithms, BLAKE2b provides variable output flexibility. Developers can tailor the digest size from 1 to 64 bytes to meet specific bandwidth or security constraints. BLAKE2b's efficiency makes it applicable across the tech stack for high-throughput environments. Use cases include file integrity, digital signatures, blockchain, data deduplication, and password hashing. For password hashing, BLAKE2b's speed is a liability against brute force attacks. Therefore, it is used as the cryptographic engine within Argon 2, which provides the necessary memory hardness and intentional slowness. The MiniWebTool BLAKE2b Generator provides instant deployment of professional-grade cryptographic hashing directly from your browser. It offers a simple interface for variable length outputs. Achieve a frictionless hashing workflow by following 4 steps. Input your data, configure the output size, compute the high-speed hash, and extract the result to your clipboard. For developers, BLAKE2b generation can scale beyond the browser. Integrate it seamlessly into your applications via a developer API, or embed a responsive HTML widget into your UI. Begin generating secure, variable-length BLAKE2b hashes instantly for various applications. You can access the BLAKE2b generator at MiniWebTool.com, where additional resources are also available.